Oh, Luna, we're so happy you're here. Friends, this is Luna. Luna, do you want to introduce yourself?
Well, I'm Luna. I feel a lot of feelings. Sometimes I feel safe and warm, but other times my feelings get so big and I don't know what to do with them.
That's okay, Luna. Feelings are normal, and they don't have to be scary. We can talk about them. By the way, little stars, I'm Cliff, the determined Capricorn star. I try to stay strong, but sometimes I hide my own emotions.
But what if my feelings are too much? I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable.
Feelings aren't too much, Luna. They're part of who we are. And when we share them, we help others understand us better.
I guess I feel sad today, but I don't want to bother anyone with it.
Talking about feelings isn't bothering people, Luna. It's how we help each other.
But what if my feelings make someone feel weird?
Feelings are part of being human. When we share them, we show others it's okay to feel things too. Sometimes showing our feelings takes courage, but it also lets friends know how to help us. That's real strength.
Okay, I think I'll try. I feel sad today because I miss my friend and I don't know how to tell them.
That's a big feeling, Luna. Maybe you could write them a letter or tell them how much they mean to you.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'd never thought of that.
See, little stars? When we share our feelings, we don't have to carry them alone. And when we listen to others, we help them feel safe too.
I feel a little lighter already. Thanks, Cliff. Thanks, Miss Sunny.
Anytime, Luna. Feelings are meant to be shared.
Bye for now, little stars. And remember, your feelings are important.
See you soon, Luna and Cliff. Little stars, sometimes it can be hard to say what we're feeling. That's why today we're making an emotion heart. It's a special way to write or draw our feelings and share them with someone we trust. When we put our feelings in our heart, it's like giving them a safe place. And that can make sharing feel less scary. You will need one piece of paper, crayons, markers, or colored pencils, stickers, washi tape, or glitter glue, and, if you like, a ribbon and hole punch to turn your emotion heart into hanging heart mail. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your materials, or if you need a little more time to decorate. I'll be right here when you're ready. Fold your paper in half. Draw half of a heart along the fold. Then cut it out. Open it. Ta-da! A full heart. Write or draw how you feel today. Happy, worried, proud, or anything else. This is your heart's message. Make the outside bright and kind, like wrapping your feeling in love. You can draw stars, flowers, or anything that brings you joy. Raindrops helped us understand our feelings. This heart helps us connect. When you're ready, give it to a family member or friend. It's a brave and caring way to open up. Sharing what's inside can feel brave. This is different from our raindrops, which we hung up to show our mood. This heart is meant to be a gift, a way to connect with someone who cares about you. Every feeling is important, whether it's happy, excited, nervous, or even a little sad. Sharing our emotions helps us feel lighter and brings us closer to the people we love. Let's all say our shine line together. I accept and share my emotions safely.
I'm learning more with every try. Sometimes I soar, sometimes I sigh. But every step and twist I take helps me shine and helps me make glow and grow day by day. Stretching strong in my own way. Shining bright through ups and downs. My star still sparkles all around. Sometimes I mess up, start again. Mistakes can be my truest friend. When I fall or feel unsure, I get back up and try once more. Glow and grow day by day. Stretching strong in my own way. Shining bright through ups and downs. My star still sparkles